After my first attempt, I felt like I have not reached my full potential. I did not perform till that. So I wanted to give it another try.
Hello everyone, we have Jahanavi Aggarwal with us. She is NEET long-term student. She has secured 554 marks in NEET 2025. So let's hear her Aakash journey. What was your motivation to repeat?
After my first attempt, I felt like I have not reached my full potential. I did not perform till that. So I wanted to give it another try.
Was it a good decision actually?
Yeah, it was because I learned so many new things that I was unaware of before this journey.
How are your teachers in
They were
Aakash?
very student friendly and the teaching was extremely NEET oriented. Also, they taught everything from the basics, so that was very helpful.
How could you get your doubts clarified?
There was always one faculty available for us to get our doubts clarified, and they sat with us. They had us understand the questions and answers and figure out the answers ourselves. Yeah.
And what kind of materials did you use while preparing?
The main materials were the Aakash packages, the momentum boosters, catalysts, MCAPs, and by the end of it, what was helpful was know your NCRTs and NCRT maths.
What kind of test did you attempt in Aakash?
The tests, they included the fortnightly ones along with the All India Test Series, that is AIATS, and the final test series and the intensive batch series as well. And every test got me closer to my rank.
How could you manage your stress while giving many exams?
I talked to my teachers, family and friends. Then I did listen to music, which was a really good stress buster. And I also paid attention to my sleep schedule.
Would you like to give any suggestions to NEET aspirants?
Focus on the NCRT, definitely, and manage your time well, and trust your teachers, and yeah, do not give up.
Congratulations, Jahanavi. All the best.
Thank you.